Positivity isn't borrowed, it's built. Today, you stop outsourcing your light. You become the source. Let us begin the affirmation, I am the source of my own positivity. I am the light that shines from within, untouched by external shadows. I am the energy that uplifts, the mindset that empowers, the presence that inspires. I am the architect of my emotional landscape, and I choose joy as my foundation. I am the one who decides how I feel, how I respond, how I rise. I am the breath of optimism, inhaling clarity and exhaling doubt. I am the vibration of peace, and I radiate it in every interaction. I am the creator of my mood, and I sculpt it with intention, grace, and gratitude. I am the calm in the storm, the smile in the silence, the spark in the stillness. I am the one who chooses to see beauty in the breakdown, purpose in the pause. I am the frequency of hope, and I tune into it daily. I am the joy that bubbles up from my soul, not the noise of the world. I am the one who speaks life into my day, my dreams, my destiny. I am the clarity that cuts through confusion, the courage that quiets fear. I am the one who rewrites my inner dialogue with love, truth, and power. I am the sanctuary of self-belief, and I protect my peace with fierce devotion. I am the one who chooses to rise with gratitude and rest with grace. I am the magnet for miracles because I expect them, welcome them, and celebrate them. I am the one who sees setbacks as setups, detours as divine redirection. I am the joy that cannot be dimmed, the peace that cannot be shaken. I am the one who chooses happiness as a habit, not a hope. I am the light that others feel, the warmth that others remember. I am the one who creates my own sunshine, even on cloudy days. I am the breath of belief, the whisper of wisdom, the roar of resilience. I am the one who chooses to smile before the reason arrives. I am the energy that transforms rooms, conversations, and lives. I am the one who celebrates small wins, knowing they build empires. I am the positivity that multiplies, the joy that magnifies, the peace that amplifies. I am the one who chooses to be kind, even when it's hard. I am the one who chooses to be grateful, even when it's quiet. I am the one who chooses to be joyful, even when it's uncertain. I am the source of my own positivity, and I overflow with it. I am the one who chooses to rise again and again with grace and grit. I am the light, the love, the leader, and I shine from the inside out. I am the source of my own positivity. Today you didn't just feel positive, you created it. You are the spark, you are the shift, you are the source.